Hey, what's up, everybody? Legend Bacon here. I am glad to be back. And today I'll be playing Fappy Bird. Just because of the name. Here we go. Damn, I suck. Let's try that again. Oh shit. You can actually literally go up into the sky. Damn. I guess literally it doesn't change. Just the color of the bird does. Technically I got it. Dick. Damn it. I'm terrible. So how's your day, sir, over there?
Are you still recording?
Yes, sir.
My day was okay, man. Just chilling. And trading. Welding some shit. I got to cut some metal today, but other than that, it was boring.
You got to cut some metal for like maybe what, 5? Oh god. Ads. For like what, 5 minutes?
Yeah, for about 5 to 20 minutes, man, I was cutting metal. I cut some little pieces, some big pieces. I didn't like it though.
I wouldn't like it either. I like my trade. That was random.
Yeah, that really was.
Fuck you, Cheddar Bob. Out of nowhere. Bullshit. I pritheth thee bullshit.
Jesse hasn't took off the headphones since he bought them.
I wouldn't either. Bullshit. It's because that goddamn ad. One more time. Oh my gosh, I'm a purple bird. Damn it. Alright, you guys, I'm going to end this episode here because honestly, this game is nothing. So leave a like if you did, comment, subscribe to become a legend today, and I will see you guys in the next episode of whatever I make. Any last comments?
Peace out.
Good one.